Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to write Bismillahirrahmanirrahim in Arabic calligraphy with qalam. So first of all we have draw a line with a pencil, and after that now we are using qalam and write with it. So in today's video we will write Arabic calligraphy in a new style, and here I am using black ink. You can also use any other ink instead of black, like red, blue, green, etc. for writing Bismillahirrahmanirrahim in Arabic calligraphy like this. It's a new and simple type of calligraphy in Arabic. So we have started it from writing Bismillah, and here we are writing now its meme, and after that we will move ahead to write Allah, because here it is completed, and now we are writing Allah, and after that we will write Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim. So here we have written Allah with the qalam, and now we are writing here Ar-Rahman in this way. And if you want to learn different types of Arabic, English or any other calligraphy, so subscribe my channel and tell me in comment. I'll tell you how to do different types of Arabic calligraphy, English calligraphy and others. Other than Arabic and English calligraphy, I'll tell you how to do calligraphies in different languages. And here we have written Ar-Rahman, now we are writing Ar-Rahim here. And after that our calligraphy become completed. And hope you like this video. Thanks for watching video. And here is the final look of our calligraphy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.